Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find your Steam library folder. So this is useful if you want to check where your Steam games are saved on your computer, or if you need to open the game files directly from your PC. So to start, open up the Steam app on your computer and make sure that you're already signed in. Once Steam is open, go to the upper left side of the screen and click on Steam. A small menu will appear, and from there click on Settings or Preferences. Depending on what version of Steam you're using, after the setting window is open, look at the menu on the left side and find Select Storage. So this section will show the drive where your Steam games are installed. For example, it may show your C drive, but if you use another drive or an external drive, you can choose it from the drop-down menu at the top. Now, to open the actual folder, look at the three dots near the storage bar. Click on those dots. Then choose Browse Folder. So this will open File Explorer and it will take you to the Steam folder location. Once the File Explorer opens, you may see a folder called Steam Apps. Open that folder, then look for the folder named Common. So double click on Common, and this is where you will see the folders for your installed Steam games. And that is how you can find your Steam library folder on your computer. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.